One of the critical things to remember when you are filing a lawsuit or a claim is to understand what the policy limits are for the insurance company and what you need to do in order to possibly what's called opening up the policy to try to exceed that. In order to do that, there's a lot of procedures that you have to follow. You have to make sure that the other side has the opportunity to investigate, to look at all the medical records, evaluate the case, and once they had the opportunity to do all that, you have to do a form demand for the full policy, and they have a certain amount of time to respond. Now, if they've done it and they respond and then they give you the full policy limit, that's all you're entitled to. However, if they don't, there's a possibility what that does is it opens up the policy. And once it opens up the policy, and if you go to a jury and the jury verdict gives you something excess of the policy, you are entitled to that. So, for example, if you have a $500,000 policy limit on the other side and you have significant injuries, multiple back surgeries, knee surgeries, and it's clear that the value of the case is more than $500,000 and they've had the opportunity to look into it and evaluate, and your lawyer or you makes that demand properly in the right format and they fail to do it, then if you go to court and get a verdict of like 5 million, then they would have to cover that and it would open up the policy. So anything above and beyond the 500,000 would be covered.